Hey guys, come over. Look at this.
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've been in control.
Good day job.
Lepidoptera, the insect order of butterfly and moth, is renowned for its careless wings, vivid color and patterns. With over 116,000 species, it is one of the largest animal groups. These insects undergo complete metamorphosis through age, larva, pupa and adult. 8 stage. Butterflies are diurnal with club antennae, while moths are nocturnal with various forms. They are vital pollinators and a food source for predators. Economically, species like the silkworm contribute while others, such as the gypsy moth, can harm crops. At BIO330, efforts focus on studying Lepidoptera, preserving habitats, and reducing pesticide use. Objectives first is to survey Lepidoptera species in BIO330. Second, to estimate population size of the Lepidoptera species in BIO330. Third, to observe and provide better understanding about Lepidoptera.
Next, we move on to methodology. What the location we use for field study? In our research project, we study Lepidoptera in various locations within the ITM Tapa. We methodically capture specimens using a sweep net. A carefully and detailed observation of the specimens are conducted, then a comprehensive data on species and abundance are recorded to understand their diversity. After that, the specimens are then released back into their natural habitat to ensure the survival and ecosystem contribution. This process is repeated in different areas for a comprehensive understanding of biodiversity. Finally, collected data set will analyze revealing incident into species distribution, abundance, and ecological interaction to enhance our understanding of Lepidoptera diversity in the ITM Tapa. There are several locations we use for our field study area, such as area from front PI, beside Lake Alpha, nearby faculty field, beside garden, and we also find an interesting species of Lepidoptera inside garden. Lastly, an abandoned empty field. Next, I will move on to technique we use in our field study. I am going to explain the technique we use in the study, which is sweep netting technique. Sweep netting technique is a available technique for studying insects and arthropods in a particular area, allowing the researchers to focus on a specific habitat by using sweep net. Researchers can easily collect insects and arthropods that reside in ground vegetation or target airborne species like wasps and butterflies. This straightforward method provides a practical way to get valuable information about the diverse insect population present in our system.
In our study, we identify 7 species of Lepidoptera, each contributing to the rich biodiversity in UITM Tapa. The first one is chocolate albatross, also known as Apis linsinda. It is known for its striking white and yellow wings.
For the second species, we have common grass yellow. It is known as Uroma hikabe. It's a small and vibrant butterfly commonly found in open areas.
For the next species that we discovered at UITM Tapa is common wanderer known as Pereronia valeria. It's recognized for its graceful flight and pale blue coloration.
One common foreign, Eptima hubeneri, thrives in shade areas, easily recognized by its eye-like marking on the wings. Next, pickup pansy, Junonia almana, stands out with its brilliant orange wings adorned with bold eye spots.
Next, we move on to the other species. First is common buckeye, Junonia sonia. Is identified by the brown wings mark with distinctive eye patterns. Next is blue pansy, Junonia ortia. Displays vibrant blue and black wing patterns that make it stunning sight.
So, For the analysis of our findings, we have collected valuable data on the number of individual species for 2 weeks. This information is summarized in a table providing clear overview of our findings. The first column is representing the number of individual species for the first week, which was on October 30, around 1 p.m. to 3 p.m, while the second column is representing the number of individual species for the second week, which was on October 7, around 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. The number of individuals observed ranged from 2 to 20 for each species. By comparing the number of individual species on the first week and second week, we can identify the species with the highest abundance, which is Diaptima huebneri, or known as common foreign, and species with the lowest abundance, which is Junonia coinia, or known as common buckeye.
Now, let's dive into the discussion of our finding. The result of our study highlight the incredible diversity of Lepidoptera in UiTM Tapa area. Among the species observed, the common foreign was the most abundant, while the common buckeye was the least. This diversity is a reflection of the area-rich environment, which includes garden, open fields, and abundance of flowering plants. These elements provide essential resources like nectar, breeding grounds, and shelter, all supported by a warm and humid climate, ideal for the survival and reproduction of Lepidoptera. We noticed that Lepidoptera were most active during the morning and early afternoon, as the times offer the best light and temperature condition for the activities. However, some species, such as the chocolate albatross, show a decline in number during the second week. This decrease could be attributed to environmental factors such as weather changes, habitat disturbance, or predation. Each species shown unique habitat preference. For example, the common foreign was often found in shaded areas with dense vegetation, while species like the peacock pansy favor open sunny fields. Such habitat preference underlie the importance of preserving diverse landscape to support the various needs of Lepidoptera. Beyond their beauty, the species play crucial ecological roles as pollinator, supporting plants' reproduction, and as a prey, contributing to the food web. Their presence is also an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. During the study, we faced challenges, such as the difficulty of tracking certain species due to their rapid flight patterns and the limited effectiveness of the aerial netting technique in densely vegetated area. These challenges may have led to underestimation of a certain species presence. To improve future studies, we recommend using bait traps to attract different species and incorporating camera traps or time-lapse photography for continuous monitoring. This method can enhance efficiency, reduce data burns, and provide a more accurate representative of Lepidoptera diversity in UiTM Tapa.
In conclusion, in our survey of Lepidoptera species at UiTM Tapa, we successfully identified various species, estimate their population size, and gain valuable insight into their behavior and habitats, showcasing the campus-rich biodiversity. To improve future study, we recommend extending observation period to cover different seasons for more comprehensive data. Utilizing advanced tools like camera trap and automate identification apps for greater accuracy, and collaboration with entomologists for expert input. This study highlights the importance of biodiversity conservation and provide a foundation for future research, promoting ecological awareness and sustainability within the academic community.
Satu, dua, tiga.